Alright guys, what up YouTube? This is Derby790. Well, it is Derby is my channel name, so I blacksmith too, so I'm gonna show you some of the stuff that I just recently made a couple days ago.